What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be making a fun little animation. So basically it's going to be like an animation where there's a solar car, and then basically it's going to like stop, and then when the sun shines it's going to move. So it's going to be pretty simple. Let's get straight into it. Alright, first thing, you're going to pick a backdrop. So I'm going to pick Blue Sky 2, and now what you're going to do is search for a sprite. I'm going to be seeing if there's a sun sprite, which there probably is. Okay, so we have our sun sprite. Now you're going to choose a car sprite. Oops, car. Let's see, I'm going to do this one. So basically if you want it to be a solar car, you're going to I'm just going to make it bigger a bit. So you're obviously going to have like a solar, so you're going to add that. And I'll actually just change the color to like maybe light blue. I like it kind of being light blue. Okay, light blue looks good. So what you're gonna do is first you're gonna like make a line here, and then you can make like a square. The fill would be a bit dark blue, so it would be something like this. And I could resize it. So I would say that's like a solar panel. Not the best, but obviously you guys at home can put in your best artwork and make it even better. So what you're gonna do now is go to your sun. Actually, not your sun. You're gonna paint a new sprite, and it's basically gonna be like those sunshine shining onto the car. So it'll be like these kind of lines here. Just it'll be like this. So something like this, which is going to be shining in the sun from here. So obviously it's gonna shine. So first of all, you're just gonna code this real quick. Whenever green flag is clicked, you're gonna make it hide. Okay. Now go to your sun, and for the costumes, actually no, you're just gonna go to the code and do when green flag is clicked. It's gonna just like turn a bit, so it'll be like it's moving around. So turn 15 degrees, let's see. And you're gonna be repeating this for some time. And let's just do 3, so make it be a bit slower. So boom, like this. So it actually looks like the sun is moving. So, but first of all, I'm gonna make it be like night. So I'm gonna go to the backdrop, and I'm gonna duplicate it. Duplicate this, and make a night backdrop. So a bit like this. No fill. So it'll be like night. So like night, and obviously there's gonna be a moon. So what you're gonna do for this is I'm just gonna use the paint tool and try to do my best with this. So okay, that looks very bad. So what we're gonna do is just undo all of that. Oops. Boom. Okay, so what you're gonna do is take this line tool, make it be a bit bigger, and change the color to silver, obviously, because the moon is silver. So like that, and now you can, how about we just make it into a full moon instead of like actually trying to make it into a half moon or something like that. So instead it'll be even more easier. And also, since the moon is like has craters on it, you can just add little dots, make some dots even bigger. I'm actually just going to use the circle tool, so they're a bit more perfect. You can see now it has like craters on it. Boom. So our moon is now perfect. So first of all, you're going to do when green flag clicked, it's going to just hide. So it will hide. Actually, it will not hide. It will switch the costume to the wait, yeah, that's in the backdrop. So it actually has to hide before it does all of that stuff. So what you're gonna do is when blue flag is clicked, it's gonna hide, and then what you're gonna do here is when green flag is clicked. So you have to go to your backdrop for this. So when green flag is clicked, it's gonna wait for about like 3 seconds, and it will broadcast a message, day. So when this is gonna receive day, it is gonna do all of this. And also, when it broadcasts day, it needs to switch the backdrop. So it's just gonna switch the backdrop to blue sky, blue sky. Okay? So now let's see, after like 3 seconds, it'll change, and obviously you have to make this hide. So boom, show, my bad guys. And then every time this is clicked, it needs to switch the backdrop to blue sky. Okay, let's test this. Perfect, it is working perfectly fine. So now what you're gonna do is make this when green, also when this receives day, it's going to wait for about like 2 seconds, and it's going to move. Actually, well, you could do make it glide so it'll be more perfect. So make it glide. Let's see. Also, you have to put a show or else it won't work. So let's see this. So I'm gonna like calculate the position it should go to. So like okay, let's make it come here. Boom. Okay, so you want it to kind of go here, so the sun has to be here, right? So what you're gonna do is make it glide. So I'm just gonna put that in. Okay, it has to glide to that position, and then whenever the green flag is clicked, it has to go to the sun. Okay, let's see this now. So there's a moon, then it has to, oh, we did go to, that actually has to be glide. 1 second. Okay, so now let's see this. Hopefully it's gonna be working properly. Boom. Okay, so then every time it's gonna be touching like this dark blue color. So you're gonna go to code for this, and then you're gonna grab a forever loop and do if it is touching color. So if it's touching the color, this dark color right here, if it's gonna touch that, it's gonna broadcast move. It's gonna broadcast, oops, or broadcast. Alright, so it's gonna broadcast the move, and then the car, whenever green flag is clicked, basically it's just gonna move whenever it receives day. So whenever you receive day, it's just gonna move 10 steps. So it's pretty simple. Now let's see if this is gonna work. So boom. Okay, let's see why it did not work. Even though it should be, oh, it's not exactly. So you have to actually put an and. So put and also you're gonna get another color and you're gonna put in this black one here. Okay, now it should be working, guys. Okay, so as soon as it goes there, it's gonna make it. Oh yes, we did receive date. We have to put in receive move. So go ahead, change it. It was actually my fault. Right. So what we're gonna do is actually just make it glide to over here. So just go to your motions and make it glide there. Pretty simple. Right, let me just name this real quick, solar animation. Okay, so now it should be working fine. Let's just save this real quick. Okay, let's start it again. Okay, so this is gonna be our animation. Alright, now it's day. Okay, I do not know why it won't work. Okay, But as you guys probably saw, it was working before. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and share this video so other people can also see this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.